Welcome to the massive open online course on Agriculture Geography. In this course, students will learn about the impact of physical, social, economic and technological factors on agriculture. The course explains the importance of agriculture and horticulture in India and also discuss different agriculture systems around the world. The students will also study the major problems of Indian agriculture, developments in the agriculture sector, agriculture policies, green revolution and the effects of fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides on farming. The course helps learners understand how agriculture supports society and provides livelihood to millions of peoples. In this view, students study the course Agriculture Geography is more useful and great contribution to society because agriculture is a primary occupation for all human beings and plays an important role in economic development and food security. Thank you. Happy learning.